Hi, friend.
What's up?
Friend, I'm so hungry.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're hungry?
Yes?
Oh, okay. Just open my refrigerator there.
I'm so hungry. What? Really, friend?
What?
It's the only thing you had?
What do you mean?
I was looking for
Pancit.
adobo and pancit.
Oh,
So what happened?
Marie, not all the time we have pancit and adobo.
Well, why you had just jalapeno? Did you Mexicana or Filipino, friend?
Hey,
Why did you have just jalapenos, friend? I'm so hungry.
well, since you're Mexican, I have some Filipino.
It's the only thing I'm gonna eat?
Yeah. See?
Okay.
Well,
But what did you get in here? Only jalapenos? You Mexicana? What? It's the only thing you're gonna have? Jalapenos? Where's the pancit and adobo?
hey,
Friend?
amiga. Since you're a Mexicana, deal with your jalapeno.
Okay. Alright. I don't know why. All the time when I come over here, I was so hungry in Rose Day house. But you know what, guys? It's so good. Pero I want pancit. Okay? Yummy,
Let me
yummy.
Marie,
Yes,
are
friend?
you okay eating jalapeno? Your tummy?
No, it's okay. It's good. It don't hurt. I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll cook some noodles for you.
Salud.
Looks like you're so hungry, amiga.
So good. Yes, I'm so hungry.
Where you came from?
From church.
Is it better, amiga?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Delicious.
Okay.
Mm.
Marie! Sorry. Sorry. Okay, eat amiga, please. I'm sorry. You're so serious. You look so hungry, amiga.
Very hungry.
Uh-huh.
I don't eat from yesterday.
Why?
Because I just running
Yeah,
around.
take it easy, okay?
See?
Don't worry, I'm not gonna feed you jalapeno. Okay, that's my jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Yes.
Why? Not looking for something to eat, and my friend she just get up, and she don't have nothing to eat, so only jalapenos.
Of course, Marie. I just woke up.
Did you get pancit? No. Okay.
Marie, this early, we don't have pancit. And then, Marie, wait. Don't move. Yeah.
Happy.
Oh my God.
They're happy. They are.
Mama, you need to take it easy with my jalapeno, please. That's enough for you.
And don't forget to
Subscribe, like, and
share,
share.
please,
Bye.
people. Love you guys.